Burns.
Sup?
So, valve cover's back on.
Nice and tight. I just gotta
Nice
get
and tight.
your little hands in there to plug in the rest of the spark
I'll
plugs.
do the plug wires. Yeah, we did I replaced those cracked rockers. That was not too hard. We had sets here, so.
That's nice. You got spare parts.
It's nice to have stuff on shelf. Yeah, so that's done. Nice and tidy. And Mr. Burns was about to move on to the rear end.
Yep.
So, all right. Raise her up and let's get into the rear end.
Sounds good.
Burns, look. New caps on. Cooling system's full. It's full. Got our little puke hose here.
Nice.
All set to our vomit tank. Look at that. What a work of art.
I don't think this car's gonna know what to do with this stuff.
Yeah, so far so good. All right. Sorry, I had to finish that off. Now, we're going to go back to the axles.